What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're gonna have something really interesting that I've never done on my channel before. We're gonna be doing an off-road spicy challenge. Cool thing about today's video is I do have a couple of my friends here for that challenge. They don't know this yet, but the winner's actually gonna win $100 at the end. I'm not rich, so I can't give more than that, but it's gonna be interesting. You guys are gonna wanna watch today's video. Let's get into it and I'll give you guys the details. Let's go.
My name is Alex. My Instagram is Magneto_Saco20, and I think I'm a win.
My name is Michael. My Instagram name is Carbon Trooper. I hope I have enough travel for this run.
My name is Ramon. My Instagram is Hashida Dude. I am definitely not gonna win. We are making things today.
My Instagram's Yeti Taco TRD, and I'm ready to hit these challenges and hopefully win this whole thing.
Are you sure you're gonna win?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, just making sure.
Hey guys, Christian over here, Freedom FJ 4x4 with an XJ today though. Out here to just have fun. If I win, I win. If I lose, I lose.
All right, you guys, so for this first challenge, we're gonna be picking a team. So the way it's gonna work, we're gonna go ahead and play rock, paper, scissors. From there, one of the person that's driving is gonna have to be blindfolded. The other person sitting inside the truck with that specific person is gonna have to kind of guide them up this hill, which we'll show you guys right now. Cool thing about this is it's gonna be timed. So of course, the person at the top of the hill first with the best timing is gonna be the winner. All the other people are gonna be the losers, which means we're all gonna have to eat something spicy. So let's go ahead and now get into the video, play some rock, paper, scissors, and start the first challenge. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So we just had a weird rock, paper, scissors challenge here, but we've got our partners now. So I'm gonna be here with Ramon. We're gonna be partners. Them two are gonna be partners. Them two are gonna be partners. So now just to determine who's gonna be driving, who wants to drive. So we're gonna have the driver do a full-on circle U-turn, and then right here in back of me, you're gonna notice there is a little driveway there. So we're gonna basically drive around this little hill here. We're gonna climb up that hill. We're gonna time it. So first person to get way up there is gonna be the winner. All the losers are gonna have to do that spice. Let's get it. All right, Alex, can you see me?
Where you at?
Okay, good. All right, so we got the timer here. We're gonna go ahead and time them. Time starts.
I've got straight now so you can get to the spot.
Do a full circle.
Go a little left now. You do your full circle now.
So they're at about 17, 18 seconds.
Keep going. All right. Okay, you're coming around those rocks.
You're losing time by doing that.
Put it in four-wheel drive, can you? I don't know. Right there? Yeah, just keep going right there. Go a little left. Okay. Now right. Hard right. Just go left the street. Okay, we're up. You can stop.
Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh jeez! Damn! You hit the fence there, Alex.
Did I?
How was that? Was that fun?
Damn, you don't see nothing at all.
Your time was 3 minutes with 9 seconds and 35. You guys ready? Just remember, it's timed. Go. Timer starts now. Same thing, they're gonna do a full circle. So far, it looks like they're doing good timing. They're going pretty fast, so that's a good thing for them. Not for me. So they almost hit that bush there. And that's the fun part about this, because you have to really trust your passenger to guide you up. Right now they're going towards a big rock section, which could have been pretty bad there. Well, there it is, they're stuck. So that's what I was saying, they gotta stay in two-wheel drive. Until they get stuck, then they're allowed to go into 4-high. Just to make more timing, just to give you guys an idea. They're at 2:35 right now, 2:37, so that's their timing so far. Let's see. Was that interesting? I'll tell you guys what. Yeah. You guys beat Alex. Bye-bye.
You tell me when to start turning.
All right, here you go a little faster. Straight, no, straight. You said it. Straight. Keep going. Keep going. Push the gas. Push the gas.
Tell me when to start turning.
All right, I will. You're gonna go right to the right, and then left, 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 left. Straight. Straight. Keep going. Keep going. Left a little bit.
More or less?
Like that, you're good. Right, to the right, to the right, to the right, yeah. Keep going, keep going. Straight. To the left a little. Keep going, keep going. Okay, to the right, to the right. Okay. Keep it right, keep it right. Okay, straight, straight. Right, 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 all the way, keep going. We're almost there, keep going. Keep going, keep going. All right, you're good. Damn, I hope we won that.
That felt fast, I don't know. I could have flown it faster, but you weren't telling me where my hands were.
Where did it go? What did we get?
Thing about this, it looks like me and Ramon won, so we're safe in this one. We don't have to do the challenge, but the rest of these guys have to do it. We're gonna. That looks kind of bad. All I was having them do is literally just 2 drops, but that looks like more to me. Have fun, go.
Don't think about it.
It's like Tapatio.
Oh, so it's not bad then. So for this one, it was just number 2, not too bad. The next challenge is gonna get a little bit worse because we're gonna keep going up in numbers. You guys will see. Let's go. Now we're going on to the second challenge. So the challenge here is gonna be going up this hill. And this one, what you're gonna wanna do is get the fastest time up